So welcome everybody. Today we will start a new lesson and continue this module. The module name was AI for creativity, and so far we have done with image generation using AI. Then we have done with presentations using AI. Now our today's topic is voice and audio AI. Like what we will cover in this topic is AI transcription, AI voice generation. So let me explain you or teach you this lesson with a proper practical example, like how we can transcribe a voice or basically convert an audio into a proper textual format, then convert that textual format after translating it into a different language, and then converting that text into a proper translated text into that language, proper voiceover, like how to do these things. So in this today's lesson, I will use two tools, that is ElevenLabs and ChatGPT. So let us see. So I have a video with me, which I will take it as an example. If we like in this video, the audio's language is in English, but my client want the audio language should be Hindi. The voiceover should be in Hindi. So we have to convert this in from English to Hindi. So let us see first this video. Okay.
In a quiet village before dawn, a poor farmer wakes. His clothes are ragged, yet a gold chain shines around his neck. With a deep breath, he rises, ready to face the day's hardships. His worn hands and determined eyes tell a story of resilience. Gripping his farming tool tightly, he walks through green fields bathed in soft morning light. He cuts trees and tills the earth with steady, practiced movements. Sweat drips from his brow, but he works tirelessly, driven by hope and the promise of a better tomorrow. As night falls, the farmer returns home, weary but hopeful. Silence greets him. Inside, he finds his wife lying lifeless. Shock and sorrow flood his heart. He kneels beside her, tears falling quietly, the weight of loss settling deeply within him. With heavy steps, he walks to the police station. He reports the heartbreaking news, seeking answers and justice. This story of pain and endurance reminds us all of life's fragile, unpredictable nature and the strength found even in sorrow.
The video was really engaging. So now let us convert this video's language is in right now is in English. Now my client wants the language should be in Hindi, like the voiceover should be in Hindi. So how to do this? So first we have to visit Google. And on Google, let us first close this video. I have shown you the video. Now on Google, we have to type ElevenLabs simply. Okay. And then open the ElevenLabs. Then simply log in. I hope you all have used this ElevenLabs, because in my previous lessons also I have given or definitely signed into this app, because in my previous lessons also I have told you about this app. So this is ElevenLabs. I have already been signed in. So here basically we have to first go to speech to text, because we right now have an audio. Basically we right now have a video. So here speech to text means converting an audio from text. That's why it is known as speech to text. So for conversion, we will select this option, transcribe files. Then we will upload our video or audio. Every MP4 and our MP3, though both formats are accepted. Here you can basically see which formats are accepted. Oh, they have not mentioned, but we can audio and video files they have mentioned. So let us upload that. So here is the video. So we have now click the upload files. Now let's wait. So as you can see, it is now being processing. The first one here, it is processing that. So just you have to click the upload button. Now we will click that, and as you can see, here is the transcription. The whole captions of the video, what is there in the video is in the text format here. So in a quiet village before dawn, a poor farmer wakes, with proper timestamps also, and with if a speaker changes, then it will also be mentioned. So this is known as the transcription, like how to convert a voice or an audio file into a textual file or into a captions file. So this was the transcription. I have shown you a real and like a practical example of what transcription looks like, or how to convert an audio file to an textual file. So now let us export this. Now how we will export this? Basically we have to click here export button. Then we can export it in any format of which you want. So we will export it in textual format and download. So we got that file. Now we will visit ChatGPT for translation, as I want the Hindi voiceover. So for Hindi voiceover, I will visit ChatGPT. I will directly attach that file. Add photos and files. Here is that file which we got downloaded from the ElevenLabs. You have to attach here the transcription file which you just downloaded from ElevenLabs. Now after attaching, you just give the command convert this transcription into Hindi language. I'm showing you my real case problem right now. You can do for yourself also. Now right now I don't want timestamps. Without timestamps. So here is the whole Hindi voiceover. We will simply copy this. And now again visit the ElevenLabs and now choose the option text to speech. Okay. Just delete the previous one. Now we have chosen the option text to speech. Now we have to just paste the text which we copied from ChatGPT, and then you have to choose a voice for your you have to choose a good voice for your voiceover. So here many options are there. As our language is Hindi, so we will choose from languages. Hindi I have already chosen. Then we have to select the gender. As in the original video, the female speaker was there. So we will here also select a female speaker, and here are many options. So one by one, you can by playing.
अगर इंजन लाइट बार बार ब्लिंक कर रही
है, you can check which voice is better. So let us I have already chosen, I think. Let me choose in Keshavi.
आपका रिक्वेस्ट प्रोसेस हो रहा है.
This is not good. Yeah, Anika. I have chosen already Anika. So we will just click on this. And then we can also set the speed of the voice, then stability of the voice, similarity, style exaggeration. Style exaggeration means here it can add emotions. It will not simply read this. It will add some emotions while reading. Okay. So this is all. And then we have, after setting all these settings and choosing the voice, you have to simply select the generate speech option, and it is now generating.
एक शांत गांव में सुबह होने से पहले एक गरीब किसान जागता है. उसके कपड़े फटे पुराने हैं, लेकिन उसके गले में सोने की एक चमकती हुई चेन है. वह गहरी सांस लेकर उठता है और दिन भर की कठिनाइयों का सामना करने के लिए तैयार हो जाता है. उसके खुरदरे हाथ और दृढ़ निश्चय से भरी आंखें उसके संघर्ष और हिम्मत की कहानी बयां करती हैं. अपने खेती के औजार को मजबूती से पकड़कर वह नरम सुबह की धूप से नहाए हरे भरे खेतों की ओर बढ़ता है. वह पेड़ काटता है और वर्षों के अनुभव से धरती को जोतता है. उसके माथे से पसीना टपकता रहता है, लेकिन वह बिना रुके मेहनत करता है. उसे उम्मीद है कि आने वाला कल आज से बेहतर होगा. रात होने पर किसान थका हुआ लेकिन उम्मीद से भरा हुआ अपने घर लौटता है. घर पहुंचते ही उसका स्वागत गहरे सन्नाटे से होता है. अंदर जाकर वह अपनी पत्नी को निर्जीव अवस्था में पड़ा हुआ देखता है. यह दृश्य देखकर वह स्तब्ध रह जाता है. उसके दिल में दुख और सदमे की लहर दौड़ जाती है. वह अपनी पत्नी के पास घुटनों के बल बैठ जाता है और उसकी आंखों से चुपचाप आंसू बहने लगते हैं. अपार दुख का बोझ उसके मन पर छा जाता है. भारी कदमों से वह पुलिस थाने की ओर जाता है. वहां पहुंचकर वह इस दर्दनाक घटना की सूचना देता है और सच्चाई तथा न्याय की गुहार लगाता है. यह दर्द, संघर्ष और सहनशीलता की कहानी हमें याद दिलाती है कि जीवन कितना नाजुक और अनिश्चित है
और यह भी कि गहरे दोहा के बीच भी इंसान के भीतर आगे बढ़ने की ताकत मौजूद रहती है।
So this was the voiceover we like got after like selecting our own preferred voice, and after doing all the like settings, proper settings according to our choice. So I think that the voiceover is up to my mark, and I have converted what we want, like what I want, like I have achieved what I wanted in this. So like this was the real practical example in which I have taught you this lesson, basically voice and audio AI, like how to transcribe and how to generate AI voice with the help of ElevenLabs and ChatGPT. So for this lesson, this was all. Please do see my next video, that is AI video creation. In that we will be extensively using Flow, that is Google by Flow. So that's all for today, and I will meet you in the next lesson. Thank you.